Hi guys, Kelli Spence here and welcome back to my channel. I am a Limelight by Alcone Star Director and I'm so excited today to teach you about our Canadian Beauty Guide Starter Kit. It is 212 Canadian dollars and it comes with so many goodies, approximately 650 Canadian dollars in a full-size product for just $212. So if you're interested in learning more about this amazing business opportunity, please stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that comes in the Canadian Beauty Guide Starter Kit is our Perfect Mascara. This mascara is a fiber-infused mascara that lengthens and thickens in one simple step. This is not waterproof, but it does work wonderfully. If you get splashed in the face, you're not gonna have, black stuff running down your face. I have cried in this before, and it works wonderfully. Next is our Limelight by Alcone Perfect Eyeliner Pen. It comes in black, it has a nice felt tip, and it draws really precisely on the hand. You also get two perfect lipsticks, one opaque and one sheer. Color options will vary depending on availability at the time, but these lipsticks are so amazing. You're gonna get a leather pouch, which I don't have here, unfortunately. However, you're going to get a set of 5 of our classified brush collection, 1 face brush and 4 eye brushes. These brushes are so luxurious, guys. Super, super soft. Apply your makeup effortlessly. You won't be disappointed in these very, very high-end cosmetic brushes. You're also going to get a Dream Clean cleanser. Our cleanser, Dream Clean, is for oily to acne-prone skin types. I don't really have acne-prone skin, but I do, or oily skin, I should say, but I do love the Dream Clean cleanser. I mix it with our other cream cleanser, Quench Cleanse, but it's a fabulous cleanser. So many people love it. It's great for everybody. It's also going to come with our Sotoks, which is a lightening and brightening and tightening serum. It's great for aged skin. If you have sunspots, it's going to help those fade. You're also going to get a must-do booster. This is a face oil, great for all skin types. Again, I love to use this at night. It smells amazing. I'll put a little pump in my hand so you can see. It's super silky and it smells like essential oils. Natural skincare, guys, you can't beat it. Next up is our skin polish. Oh my goodness, skin polish. It comes in a little box like this. I'm going to actually show you my open one. This smells like heaven in a jar. It smells like lemon pound cake. It is an exfoliating, moisturizing mask. It has jojoba beads. It is just one of our top sellers. Absolutely amazing. Comes in that kit as well. You're gonna get 40 Cure Cream, which is our luxurious healing lotion. It is made with tamanu seed. It literally is the best lotion I've ever tried. Great for eczema, psoriasis, any sort, if you have keratosis pilaris, it's great for that. Dry, cracked heels. Just all kinds of skin ailments. This is a wonder cream. I absolutely adore it. It also comes with our bamboo and lemongrass body scrub. This is a walnut scrub. I'm showing you my opened one. It smells amazing and I use this to shave my legs. It's the most exfoliating product you could ever lay your hands on. Makes your skin feel so silky smooth afterwards. And the smell is just fabulous. We also get a Blenderful. This amazing little non-latex sponge is fabulous for applying your Botanical Foundation. I like to take mine out of the little cute leather pouch that it comes in that is mesh so that it can dry. I wet it in the water and then swirl it in my Botanical Foundation and just dab it on the skin. Super easy to clean, doesn't soak up a bunch of product. I highly recommend the Blenderful for our Botanical Foundation, or any foundation for that matter. It also comes with a quad of 4 different eyeshadows. This is not the 4 eyeshadows that it comes with. This was just the quad that I had handy. but it does come with a quad of 4 of our perfect eyeshadows. These are highly pigmented, go on super smooth, the most amazing blendability, the best eyeshadows on the market in my opinion. And last but not least, it comes with a 3-well blush powder palette. In mine, I have the translucent powder, the blush in number 4, and the perfect bronzer. This you can customize yourself when you get your own. However, yours will come with 3 different powders. Again, to be determined when you get your kit on what is available. You also get catalogs and business starting supplies. Just so much amazing things, so many amazing things in that 212 Canadian dollar kit. If you guys have any questions at all, I'd love to chat with you more about this amazing opportunity. It has done wonders for my family. I could not be happier to be here, and I look forward to you joining us in our Limelife. Have a great day, guys. Bye.